Is it a function or is it not a function? Let's think. What if the cashiers could charge customers whatever they wanted to charge? Would that be fair? Okay, let's see. Obama's at Chick-fil-A and he's ordering a number 1 on the menu. Should the price of that number 1 be the same for everyone? Well, of course, because we want it to be fair. Every number 1 is going to be the exact same price. So all the number 1s are assigned to one amount for everyone to pay. Meaning the input belongs to one output. Meaning the X value can only have one Y value. In other words, a boy should only have one girlfriend. Let's take what we learned and apply it to this. Is this a function? Why or why not? Okay, here's a boy. He's number 2. Here's another boy. He's number 5. Here's another boy. He's number 4. Uh-oh. There's number 2 again. What do you notice? Well, right here, number 2 is dating number 3. Right here, number 5 is dating number 6. Right here, number 4 is dating number 8. What is number 2 doing? Cheating, dating number 4. That's not supposed to happen. It's one boy, one girl. The boy should only have one girlfriend. And in this example, he has 2 girlfriends. So this is not a function because he is not being fair. Now, if we take those ordered pairs and we put it in this table, what do you notice? The X value is repeating. That boy is dating number 3, and that same boy is dating another number 4. This is not a function because the X value repeats. Are these functions? Why or why not? Well, we already talked about this one. The X values repeated. So let's look here. Are the X values repeating? Is this a function? Yes, it is. Is this a function? Well, what is this? This is a mapping diagram. So a mapping diagram is nothing but the relation drawn into ovals. So 1, 5 is this one. 2, 5 is this one. 3, 6 is this one. Is this a function? Okay, so number 1, he's dating 5. Number 2, he's dating 5. Uh-oh. Is this a function? Yes or no? Well, this is a number 1 boy. This is a number 2 boy. This is a number 3 boy. Do you see the same guy? No, the X values did not repeat. So guess what? This is a function. It looks like the girl number 5 is dating 2 and dating number 1. I guess it doesn't matter what the girl does. In this example, it's only about the guy. Sorry, guys. So remember, if the X value repeats, it is not a function. But since the X value did not repeat, this is a function. Now let's look at this one. 4, 1 becomes this. 5 and 7 becomes this ordered pair. 5, 10 becomes this ordered pair. Is this a function, yes or no? No. Why not? Because the 5 is dating the 7 and the 10. The X value repeats. Vertical line test. To test if something is a function using the vertical line test, pass the vertical line through the graph. If the graph touches that vertical line more than once, it's not a function. Remember, the boys were green, so this is an X value. Is this X value hitting the graph more than once? Yes, it hits it there, and it hits it there. So this is not a function. He's dating more than one lady. Are these functions? Why or why not? Well, if I draw a line through this, draw a line through this, draw a line through this, will it hit more than one point on this scatter plot? Yes, it does. Here and here. So this is what? Not a function. What about this scatter plot? If I draw a line there, through all of it, it is a function. Why? Because it only hit each piece of the graph only once. Which of these graphs is a function? Let's talk about this graph and this graph. Can you look at this and draw a vertical line through it? Do you think it's going to be a function? Can you draw a line through this? You think it's going to be a function? It hits 1, 2, 3, 4. It's supposed to hit once. It hits more than once. So it is not a function. What about this one? I only put 4 x's, but how many times does that green line hit or touch this black line under it? Forever. It's right on top of it. It touches it so many times you can't even count it. Is it supposed to touch it all the time or just once? Just once. So this is not a function. Let's talk about these two. Draw a vertical line through this one. Draw a vertical line through this one. What do you notice? They touch once. Now I could draw a line everywhere else on this graph, and this one too. It will still only hit once. So it is a function.